Well, today I'm going to be talking about something I've never really wanted to talk about. It's probably the most controversial thing in the fishing world. And I understand I could be risking losing a lot of followers by talking about this, but I'm going to do it anyways. Is Livescope cheating? So for those of you who don't know, Livescope is a super high-tech and super expensive depth finder / sonar that you use when fishing. The only thing that makes it controversial is actually how good it works. You see, Livescope can pick up the tiniest of movements and down to even your lure working it underwater. You can see it on the screen. So it's so incredibly accurate, it almost makes fishing too easy, which is why it's so controversial in the fishing world. You see, now while I am very biased because I do not have Livescope because it's so incredibly expensive, I personally kind of sit somewhere in the middle, and I know that seems like I'm just saying that to appeal to both sides of my audience, whether you think it's totally cheating or totally not cheating, but I really do kind of see it both ways. You see, I could totally see Livescope consider being cheating. If you're in a bass tournament and nobody else has Livescope and you have a $10,000 Livescope system with a giant screen, 2 screens, one on the front and back of the boat, and you're able to sit there on a tree working your lure and watch a 12-pound bass eat it and set the hook without even feeling the bite, yeah, that's a little suspect. However, I can also see it being a little fun. In fact, while I don't have it, I have used Livescope while being on a crappie fishing trip, and if I'm being completely honest, I think I have to err on the side slightly more of it possibly being a little bit unfair. You see, it's so incredible to me. I've talked about this in multiple Fishing Tip Fridays, how natural and amazing fishing is. And when you bring that much technology into it, don't get me wrong, I have a little plastic boat, I have a depth finder, I have 2 depth finders, actually both Humminbird, I have a motor, I have batteries for that boat. I love technology, it's really fun with fishing, but that much high-tech technology can almost take a little bit of the fun out for me. Like I said, I do enjoy using it. However, I only use it about once a year, and that's questionable. I may not even use it once a year. I've used it probably 3 times in my entire life. So, and yes, it's very fun. I look forward to using it then. However, I don't think I could bring myself to use it every single time just because it's a little, you know? Now, like I said, I know that while it's obviously a little bit of a joke, it really is probably the most controversial thing in the fishing world. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I'd love if you would smash that subscribe button, and I will see you next time on Hudson's Fishing Adventures. Peace out.